A can do piece of work in 8 days which B can destroy in 3 days. Okay. A has worked for 6 days and during the last 2 days of which B has been destroying the work. How many days must A now work alone to complete the work? Here A can complete the work in how many days? 8 days. And B can destroy that work in how many days? 3 days. A can complete the work in 8 days. B can destroy that work in 3 days. Okay. Here, okay. So find here LCM of 8 and what is it? 24. So 24 is, we assume 24 units as total work. We assume 24 units as total work. Okay. Okay. Then A can complete the work in how many days? 8 days. So A can do 3 units of work per day. That is his efficiency. His efficiency is A can do 3 units of work per day. Okay, how do you find out? 24 by 8. Now B can destroy this work. B can destroy this work for, okay, he can completely destroy this work for 3 days. So what is the efficiency? Efficiency is, I am writing minus. Okay, why I am writing minus? Because he is doing negative kind of work. So for example, if somebody is constructing the building, he is demolishing the building. Okay, A can construct the building in 8 days, but B can demolish it in 3 days. Okay, fine. So that's why he is doing negative work. That's why we are writing minus. Fine. So A can complete the work in 8 days. So his efficiency is plus 3. B can destroy the work in 3 days. So his efficiency is minus. Now what happened? Okay. Now what happened? A has worked for 6 days. A has worked for 6 days. During the last days of which B has been destroying the work. So A has worked for 6 days. Now last 2 days what happens? B has been destroying. B has been destroying. B has been destroying. So how much work A has done? How much the work A has done? A's work is nothing but 6 days into its efficiency, that is plus 3. How much? 18 units. Fine. Now A has constructed, for example, here is constructing the building. So A has done 18 units of work, okay, for these 6 days. But B's work is demolition. So B has demolished the building for the last 2 days. So he has worked for 2 days, and what is his efficiency? Minus 8. So he has destroyed how much? 16 units of work. 16 units of work. Okay, then 16 units of work is done by, sorry, 18 units of work is done by A, but what happens here? 16 units of work is demolished by B. So actual work remaining is how much? 18 minus 16. So effectively 2 units of work is done. So effective work that is done is, so the building is constructed and it is demolished. What happens? 18 units of, for example, 18 units of work that is constructing the building has done. Now 16 units of work that is demolishing the building has done. So what is a building that is remaining? The amount of work, that is positive work remaining, is only 2 units of work. That is, whatever the building that has been constructed is now 2 units. So 2 units are there. So what is the remaining work? Remaining work is remaining work remaining work is 24 minus 2, that is 22 units of work is remaining. Now it has to be done. How many days A now must work alone to complete the work? So 22 units are remaining, divided by what is the efficiency of A? 3. So what is the time taken by? Time taken by A is nothing but 22 units of work, that is remaining work, by its efficiency 3. So what is the answer? Answer 7 1 by 3. So A now, after this whole construction and demolition, now he has to work for 7 1 by 3 days to complete the work. Okay.